Hell yeah, brother. Still cleaning that shit off right now and made quite a mess. That's how I say thank you, and you'll see the rest of that celebration if you stay tuned till the end of the video. What's up, Elko family? Welcome to vlog 53. If you haven't seen my other vlogs, stop. Don't even watch this one. Go check out the other ones because you're missing out. Check them all out. Catch up. Get up to date. See all the shit I've went through to make this Elko the way it is. But yeah, this week was supposed to be jam-packed full of traveling down to Ohio for the Gbody Classic, but unfortunately, I didn't have my ducks in a row to get down there, and I didn't get a trailer in time.
I don't want to hear that shit!
Yeah, just a lot of excuses, but I didn't make it down there. That's my bad. Really wish I would have, because unfortunately, it's not too looking good for next weekend either for me to go to Elko Fest down in Indiana. So fingers crossed it doesn't rain for that, because damn, I'm trying to make some cool content. So to kind of fill in that gap, I ended up taking the ice cream cruise again over in Greenville. Seen a lot of cool cars this time. There was some different stuff out there this week. And yeah, took a cruise, got some ice cream, hung out for a little bit. Ended up throwing some new shocks on the Elko. And last but not least, the big surprise. A big thanks to you guys for helping me hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very cool. Already surpassed it, and we're still going. So thank you guys so much. Check out the very end of the video if you want to see the fun I had as my big thanks to you. So let's keep that rolling. Grab some merch so we can do more things, more burnouts, so I can afford some more tires and a bunch of other shit that I'm breaking on here, having fun. And then we'll get Límon to also do some burnouts and have a good time as well. So yeah, stay tuned. There's a lot more in store, but let's get into this week's video. Right back up at the Dairy Barn in Greenville. Every other Friday they host these cruises up there, and this week there was quite a few low trucks and cars that kind of gave me some more ideas for Límon, because I'm ready to see that truck that low. But yeah, enjoy the cars. We're gonna go for a cruise here. Ended the cruise back at Meyer, and just so happened to find an El Camino on the road that joined us when we were parked. Had to grab some photos with him. Borrowed my lady's car for the day since it's a little bit better on gas, and it's always funny to see me on the dash. I ended up going to Grand Rapids, taking the dogs with me so that they could play with my nephew and see my family for the day. Armani and Moose had a hell of a time. They did this for like an hour straight. After having a good day with the family, decided to go back to the house, get these little 14s thrown on the back of the Elko I got from James, and it was time to go have some fun with them. I don't know about y'all, but I thought that was a pretty damn good burnout, and I didn't want the fun to stop there.
Again!
But I couldn't help myself, didn't end up leaving just yet. Had to do a couple little donuts around there because it's not every day you find a cul-de-sac like this that's just completely empty and nobody's around. So gotta make the most of it. The next big milestone I celebrate will be at 5,000 subs, and I'll make sure I outdo this one for you guys too. All right, well, that was hella fun, and yeah, there's probably a lot more tread on these tires. Maybe I'll go have a little bit more fun before I get to the crib, but I just want to say a quick thanks to every single one of y'all that are subscribed. That shit is so cool. I really didn't think it was gonna get this big this fast, so super dope to see this happening. So let's keep it going, and we'll have some more fun. Don't doubt me, shit's gonna get done.
I do this shit for real, man.
Okay, last one, I promise. That one did it for me for the day because the wheel hop scared the shit out of me and the smoke in the beginning was not a good sign. Well, nothing broke.
You sure about that?
And I'm sure I burnt off a good portion of that tire, so that was fun. Oh yeah, those were damn near brand new earlier. Now I've been having fun with the Elko for a couple years now, and it's been progressively getting better and better, and now there's things I gotta take care of, so yeah, go subscribe for real, because after doing that little celebration, there's a couple little problems with it. I'll get into those in a second, but the first thing I was gonna start this week was getting these shocks put on. Shout out to James, he donated them to me to get the Elko back right before I take a trip, so go check out his channel. He does a whole bunch of classic car content and is a wizard with all of them, so yeah, check his stuff out. Gonna get these put on the Elko, rotate the tires a bit, and then we're gonna dive into the issues from the celebration, where I think I cooked one of my brake lines because it was a little too close to the headers, and I think they kind of hit each other and might have cracked one, so gonna have to get in there and figure that out. And I think the power steering pump is spraying again out of one of the lines, so.
You think?
Yeah, got a couple things to fix. We'll square them away and have some fun, take a trip with the Elko here in the next week, and shit, you know how she does. She's good. I beat on her a little bit, but we'll keep her right. But other than that, let's get right into throwing these KYB shocks on. All right, I was just getting started, and I'm gonna jinx it. I'm just gonna do it right now. It's starting off very easy. That didn't fight me whatsoever. And yeah, let's see how bad it gets now. All right, first problem that I'm noticing, these threads are thick as hell, and new shock, got some really fine threads, so I'm gonna have to go find a nut. If not, gotta go to the hardware store real quick and get that handled, but not that big of a deal. But yeah, these absolutely done. Like, let's see. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So I think the Elko is gonna ride much better. I haven't changed these since I bought it, like I said, so there it goes. This ought to work a lot better now. All right, got the new shocks installed, finally. About to go do this test drive. Took Límon out the next morning. She was looking super low next to the lifted second gen at the gas station, but put her to work for the day, went over to James' house and helped him clean up a bunch of brush around his property. All right, mission accomplished. Cleaned up the yard. Límon did her job and moved all that brush back there. But now it's time to get out of here. All right, I know I've been slacking on some things, but I am a one-man band. I can't do it all at once. But I promise we're gonna get this taken care of very, very soon with the brake line problem.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
I wanna do it before this weekend, but it looks like it's gonna rain for Elko Fest, so I really don't know if I'm gonna scramble to get it done right now and do a temporary fix or buy the right ones that I want and just kind of wait it out since it might rain. Chances are I'm gonna do the cheap fix real quick just in case it doesn't rain and I don't miss another big event. Oh, and I know quite a few of you are not so pleased with me for not having this done quite yet, so I ordered a new coil. That should be here in another day or two. So next week, we're gonna actually get this thing done. I'm gonna stop bullshitting and make sure this thing runs.
You sure about that? You sure about that?
And hopefully get the deck on. We'll see if I can do that in the same week. And for some real good news, I think I landed a sponsor or two to help get Límon on her little journey of becoming a bit more of a badass street truck because, yeah, you guys know she sucks. Let's get her right. So in the next couple weeks, she should start that process of becoming mean and super low. I'm looking forward to it. I hope y'all are too. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.